Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we're going to use our Flipper Zero to actually decode a Kwikset key. So download the Key Copier app, go into Apps, Tools, Key Copier, and you can do Schlag, which is that one, or you can do Kwikset, which is what we're going to be doing. And so we go to Measure, and you just want to take your key, and it says in the instructions to it's easier with one eye closed, and they're not kidding, it totally is, but try to do this on video here. So basically just try to line your key up with the bottom line here and the tip like right on the bottom there. I have to probably lift this up a hair for people to be able to see it. Alright, so got the key lined up. And then you want to just use the down arrow and just going to move that line until it lines up. So that's going to be a 3. That's going to be a 1, 3, 2, 1. So there's our key right there. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then from there you'd be able to actually just hop over to your several $1,000 key machine and actually cut that key. So we'll go and we'll do that real quick here. So we're going to just go to favorites, because I got this saved in my favorites for Kwikset. And doing 5 cut. And so we'll go to our flipper here. We got 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. So we'll go ahead and do input 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And there's our key there. Take our blank key. Put it in the machine here. Lock it down, hit cut, and then we'll cut our key here, make sure it works. Alright, so the key's cut. The flakes off of it here. We'll go and we'll test it out and make sure that it works. And beautiful. So there's a key, decoded and copied, I guess, with the Flipper Zero. So if you have questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.